Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You should start by making sure the app and your account are ready. Open NBA 2K25 MyTeam on your mobile device and sign in to the exact profile that will receive the items. Once done, verify the game is fully updated and that you have a stable internet connection. Locker codes fail on flaky networks. Next, navigate directly to the MyTeam main menu. Don't open other modes, because the locker code entry is tied to this section and appears only when you're inside MyTeam. Now find the locker code entry. For MyTeam, open Settings or the dedicated locker code screen. You must type the code exactly as provided, including hyphens and uppercase letters where shown. Small mistakes cause rejections. Once you enter it, tap Redeem and watch for the on-screen confirmation. If the game shows a processing animation, hold still. Closing or switching apps can interrupt the claim. Keep an eye on the incoming rewards/inbox area after redemption, because that's where items land. After redeeming, you must claim items from the MyTeam inbox or reward screen. Tap each reward to move cards, tokens, or VC into your account. If nothing appears, double-check the code's activation window and regional restrictions. Some codes are claimable only once per account or for limited time. If a code fails repeatedly, restart the app, clear cache, and try again. If problems persist, take a screenshot of the error and contact 2K support with the code and account details for help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.